prosperity gospel na thumashakla achon thungchang Ravi Abraham hoda charismatic salakhaya Pentecostal with preacher raka itumai tangkhul ngalai hili ralaga cross crusade Scriptural hili matithang kala chiwithili kamjong li matithang da rasa laga prosperity gospel hi ratam chithaida ya chamkup sangaira mi ga chunga crusade chili rai tu gata wen mi chunga ra laga crusade chili ra da rangana ye prosperity gospel hi singla prosperity gospel hi ka changkhat khamashung gospel lakla hi biblical sara kajiba hi itum machuk sei prosperity gospel na tam kamiat shuda Christian akhana sit ka sangam akhana magza baimne health and wealth kazibava pasakhamata kala lanklei kajihi vereshino itum bi wangne jishu kristana krostungli ashida da timi gaijli nawi kazat saigoro nawi khungsei ka jot saigoro la jishuna cross li phumi gaine shena na magza baimne na gaza kha ji mashit ka sangwi wangne the atumna tamstay actually prosperity gospel the khone actually prosperity gospel tamgusthe ya preachers ka power chunglei amingen hang discover Joel Austin Joyce Meyer Joseph Prince Bill Johnson Kenneth Copeland Benny Hinn atum binghina Ravi Abraham na ukruli ralaga raha shoktakleya sermon bingji itum na YouTube li samhang dalai na tum bing na lang na yingo āwui YouTube li samhang dakleya sermon ka tumji sermon ka tongji na khinga tang san gospel ka zangkat paji ba samhang mana ka khamashung gospel samhang prosperity gospel samhang Ravi na tam khami ati shuda jishu kristna cross tung ni ashida da ka jot chang phumi khai khamashung mi khai ji no wi wang nei jiwaina Jilisit kasang bing cycle li jigita ka jot jang khangsei kazat cycle waina ning khan mi khaine jibiwi mari mara wi pangsap cycle waina ning khan mi khaine jiwi pangsap ji sit kasang bing itum cycle li mi khaine kji hi anatam gustei gospel ni anatam khmi ati shuda jishu kristna cross li thimi khaiji itum li mori waina tang phi khmi mangning la itum li ka za ka khanang khangsei ka jot cycle waina kan mi khaine the tamstheya ana Bible verse la quote salaga tamstheya kha ana Bible verse pingji āwui tamsthedakhle prosperity gospel jili cha khwaida interpret sai samsa the John chapter 3 verse 16 ni rivana tumli le shinaida āwui na honau tong Jesu Christ li mi ge jiwi verse li ana hidada tamstheya ana rivana tumli le shinai da hangi verse with should rivana tumli le shinai joina āwui na mi la jimi chena Chili sit the son of Bingi, Gazat in a mathithuchi, Dana Kalacholi, Chili, Kazakado verse in the zanga when those who believe shall not perish, but shall have everlasting life, Kajibaji, everlasting life, Kajiwi, Surupajiba, Nutum.
You know, you and me must believe God so loved the world and God so loved me. He gave his one and only son. Whoever believes in him should not perish. Should not perish. Should not perish in sickness. You should not, you cannot perish with the sickness or disease.
Lei siang sonoping Jesu Christ na kiwang cross li tik mi do kiwang asitak mi do itum li o tu li ka jot makhle mi rin kwai wangla as Ravi na itum li tam gusteva sit ka sang itum ping mi rin hi ka jot makhle ya mi rin ring haura kala shimfu ring me haura kala lansini bong la ring ba khai ring haura success saura kazat malai libra kaji itum li tam stedli.
According to your word, they should receive new power and they must fly higher level to higher level. In their personal life and family life.
itum family we lunglila.
In their financial life and their ministry life, they must fly higher level to higher level.
Itum sinalu palan lunglila itum chumamanda karer.
And transform their life.
Kalana we mirin ngaching sakre.
Lord need to transform their life, glory to glory, higher level to higher level, blessing to blessing.
Ra atumi mirin na ngaching sak mida chumamanda kala sokamila mida matai kang sakre.
Ravi Abraham, itum mirakazan damsan, kajibava. Manga turn itum mirakazan damsan, automatically anhanga, itum li, kakanang the job, itum li, the floor, Malay, Nakatohi, all other Shiman Sarauda, the anatomly, Tamsdidley.
When this holy light is coming towards us, or we are going towards the holy light, that all darkness and sickness and pains and curses will go away from you automatically.
Tarakha mathenga ko horjena we min redly. Rakashung chitranjali tankamang we sasha pangshap sai ko chishman.
It will happen immediately.
Alang the onre.
Ravina kahāng shoulda. Itum sitkasang itum being we come right into the Kanyam, the Pema of the Hangin. Regason, we regason the prosperity mouth on a promise sadly. Jilang Medana. It will be a sign of the funny. Jenna, Jilirada clinics, the fighting Jipang, Hangalo, Pong made the vowel, the itumly, Atum Bingli, and a Jidaka soy, because I cut itum, Nunum.
He will satisfy your mouth with the good things.
Natum nanaway kamor and a kamatha kahāng chitranli.
He will renew your youth, the Bible says.
Nali yaron ngalata da nali pangsak lushatre.
How many of you want to renew your youth?
Aring yami kya kananawi yaron ngala kya kanawi pangshap.
Raise your both hands towards heaven.
Pang kasingram chong kangkala.
God, I want to renew my youth again.
Ra I pangshap sampang nui ngaye.
Say everyone, God want to renew your youth again.
Ra I pangshap sampang nui ngaye.
If you raise your hand with the faith towards the heaven,
Ichome pang kasingram chong kangkala kashit kasangay na.
God want to see your faith and confidence.
Ra nawi kachihan kalashit kasang.
And He will renew your youth.
Ichom na shit sang da kachihan thalin na
Like eagles.
pangshap sang milire.
Say everyone, like eagles. Like eagles.
Kalang tada nali yong sang
Like eagles.
Kalang tada nali pangshap sang milishet.
Say everyone, like eagles, God want to renew my youth.
Itom na hangse pang kangkalaga iwi mirin kalang tada kala yaron tada verana pangshap sang milishet.
Do you?
Ma tangka itum by Kachiva. Jesus Christ na theinaowa lat kratamsli ana itum le glorified body kamiyatamsli itum tangka kasarnau beng dendala maniyura kachiva ari ogotuhili maning mane nana ting ogotuhili vawla maniyum limre ana sitkasanga itum bingwa coronavirus in the mangsangla itum makasa marada ana hanglay nana insi.
You have fire of God in you. You have the power of God in you. You have God in you. You have God in you. If you are drinking any poisoning things, the poisoning things will die. You never die.
Nana poison chi kamang chi tranjale poison chi chire na mathilak mare.
Any virus coming towards you.
Kachikata virus nana wili ra.
Any corona, kirana, mangi kachal, bikachal, this kachal, bad kachal, chicken.
Leng siam son of me. Ogo tui hiva. On shikaya. Ramne. Adamine ifna morally doesn't want when it will go Rivana Conshi Hiramni, Chitaoda, or Twilly itum the ring the Lelkindanda, Kazat, Kakanang, Kajot, Kajihiva, Leishon, Leitaogisni, Sitkasana Milila, Masitkasana Milila, Kagaza, Kanang Gajihiva, Novare, Rivana Otuhi, Mangan Quirum Lakindanda, Hiva Leichingra. Itum Gaikavatum Kagaza, itum Gazati, Kativa Sunda Punkvala later. Ma in a hikahanitum. Right five on Sayama Sase examining money. Itum Sase, wait to me Karaima Krajiva, Rivrawi, Ninkani, Rivrawi Ningni. Kazat tila itumli rivrana kamini the hangsi itum kaikava the kasala pai ka itumli Bible between the hangi Exodus we chapter 4 verse 11 li the Lord said to him, who gave human beings their mouths, who makes them deaf or mute, who gives them sight or makes them blind? Is it not I, the Lord? Kibana mikumoli kumor mikla kibana mikumoli mkok masak khamashung masakla kibana mikumoli aming katei mikla kibana mingbe masakla I maning la vre pro I maning la da itumli Bible li da ka bi haidle rosi tumping va khangazan na tam stran kalaga za tam stran rali matai mi da ming tek teng sake kalai to me manglarin la matai mi da thukmai kala rali ngai mai very see tumping la o chui lo ba za ya itum da Bible le kyang tam stran Trophimus so the Pauling so the missionary by Lagazai Zitumna, 2 Timothy chapter 4 verse 20 litumna, Pagui Sampangi, Agazao the Paul militarily not our Zitumna, Pagui Sampangi. Timothy Masala, we problem Lauda, Kazaza, how the Paul number of Ari Mangloda Ali Karitumna, 1 Timothy chapter 5 litumna, Pagui Sampangi. Timothy Kazatan Jean Paul na Joe, Fetila Livalo, O Kuno Livalo, Siasak Livalo, the Mahalagmani. Paul Masala Kazai Exihitumna Galatians we chapter 4 verse 13 to 14 Jigbatam Sanitumna take a quiz sampange. Bible Lehankaya verse Kaikaitum the Peningu say. 1 Peter we chapter 4 verse 12 through 13 be hida the hangai. Beloved, do not think it strange concerning the fiery trial which is to try you, as though some strange things happen to you. But rejoice to the extent that you partake of Christ's sufferings, that when his glory is revealed, you may also be glad with exceeding joy. Lagi sharing atum kachot sambang atam stran atum mamta kakai lo dhangi ka Christawi kachot chili pungrum jivang itum ring pasada chili hangai dale itum le kachot kachang sam khatam stran o kachot kachang tuyalo the mawang trai ni azu Ravi we crusade li kyang atam stran āwui li the khle kakhnang kachot troubles being disabilities being kachot the Christo ming in a vow lo kasambam dale in the Matthew chapter 16 verse 24 li kyang atam stran if anyone desires to come after me, let him deny himself and take up his cross and follow me the hangim. Kajitani yu tishunga eka klatawi cross kipunda tishuno the hangim. Itumli cross malainer the kahāng mahangai mani. John chapter 16 verse 33 likyangdan tanan. These things I have spoken to you, that in me you may have peace. In the world you will have tribulation, but be of good cheer. I have overcome the world hangi. Jishu Kristo na itumli āwui sakang tubingli. Oh, tuli na tumli ko chot sang sama the promise sa hilak mani. 2 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 8 through 19 in the Pakistan. We are hard pressed on every side, yet not crushed. We are perplexed, but not in despair. Persecuted, but not forsaken. Struck down, but not destroyed. Itumli hangai dali. Prosperity with gospel hiva khamashung mani. Bible lena align samani kihi itumna theinaowa itumna Stephenui. Acts chapter 6 verse 7 dikhyang tam san Stephenui merin itumna yangse. Our mirinji rai kamatai rai kasang mang machimane. Our mirin kachot malay lakaji mirin walk to mani. Karmalong wina alim. Sometimes kai mirinji prosperous salakay mirin itum na hang bairala. Paul mirin itum na yangse. Our mirin ni kyak kasi patopshim itam. Our mirin marikong accidents of the clouds sampangay. Our mirin ni our season kawai. Our mirin ni pesa lang le lakay na sangtoren mok chimini. Kawi tapang tangwi sin kawai korsan awji kajon sim khop laga okthui ge ji tumna thei ki sam nge thai kwa prosperity gospel na tam zde deklai tumi mirin vereshu mirin sita sanga mi pa ji mirin ji re ga sang ma aure ka khanang ma khlaya ka zat ma khya mi okthui da tam zde deklai hi khamashung na gospel maning mani prosperity gospel hi va khangnali ngana phalake khamashung gospel jiba kibana khalamang na ngai mani jiwaina ne Paul na 2 Timothy chapter 4 verse 3 li hanghai for the time will come when people will not put up with sound doctrine instead to suit their own desires they will gather around them a great number of teachers to say what their itching ears want to hear Paul ida da hangya tamra sare mi bingna khamashung doctrine mangna gaila kha thumuya khana na ngna ngaya mutui khmiya oja chungka athumili kachip khriya tamra sare da kahangi mashung nak ke da kri kajanghan na si tangkol vare si raira da hangi kala manipuli christianity khura khre miyur da mi ping chung na regard sai church ka chungka centenary la mayon haire kala arila chingum sakam ka da phanga we need ray kamion nging rock the late kala church ka khamre ka mi na pem ding hai kha achu hikatha ma khamashunga prosperity gospel li mi yak kana na ngai da thol na da place li yang ka ichum bible ka thai mi kala bible pa ngai mi hi ma chu thai de ji ichum hang pai